In this video, we'll walk through how to create tags in the Asset Naming Assistant extension for Marketo. Tags help categorize assets, making them easier to search, filter, and analyze. Before creating tags, ensure that asset tagging is enabled under Miscellaneous settings in the Configuration section. To create a tag, start by opening the Create Edit Asset section. Next, go to the Tags tab. This is where you can view, add, or manage tags. Here, all existing tags will be visible. To add a new tag, click Create New. Enter the name of the tag. Choose a clear and descriptive name to help users identify the tag's purpose. Once you're done, click Save. Your tag is now created and available for use. If a drop-down icon appears next to any tags, then it indicates that the tag has been associated with one or more assets. Click on the drop-down icon to see all associated assets of any selected tags. Click on the drop-down to view all assets that uses the selected tag. Tags can also be created while creating or editing an existing asset. This allows flexibility to add new tags on the go. This is explained in details in the next video.